Welcome to lecture 3 hash functions of unit 3 hashing of the subject advanced data structure of second year computer engineering. Now in last lecture we saw some hash functions. Now in this lecture we are going to cover three more functions, rather methods: multiplication, extraction, rotation method. Now let us discuss the multiplication method. Here in case of multiplication method, we have a key k and we multiply this key with a constant a, and a ranges from 0 to 1 strictly, and whatever multiplication result we get, we extract the fractional part of that result, and after getting that fractional part we multiply this fractional part with m and take a floor of that result, and that will be nothing but the hash address of our key k, where we can even see that k into a mod 1, which gives us a fractional part or the remainder that can even be calculated with this, that is ka minus floor of ka, and that gives us address of key. Now what is floor of a? A floor of k into a, it is the largest integer smaller than whatever result comes after this multiplication. Now here advantage is m is not critical, and typically we can choose m to be power of 2, so say some 2 raised to power p, where p is some integer value. Now let us see this in the say sum for p. We can easily implement the function in most of the computers using following method. So here suppose we have word size w and assume that k fits into single word. First we'll multiply k by w bit integer, that will be a into 2 raised to power w, will take floor of the result. Now whatever now the result will be 2 into w bit, and that means whatever result we get, we'll multiply this result into k, and whatever value we are getting, that is the address value, and that address value is not directly taken, but desired p bit from the result will be taken. Those will be p most significant bit of this product, and those p most significant bits will be the address of key k or identifier k. Let us take one example, like key is 7285, our p or w is 4, a is 0.618, which is a very standard value called a golden ratio, which is given by Knuth, which is nothing but a is nearly equal to under root of 5 minus 1 by 2. So this comes out to be value 0.6183009887. So if we take just first three digits after decimal, so a will be 0.618. now m will be 2 raised to power p or w, so 2 raised to power 4 is 16. Now we'll take this a into m, so a into 2 raised to power w or 2 raised to power p, and then whatever result get, we get floor of that, so floor of that will be the 9, that is floor of this is 9. So now we'll multiply k with the result of floor of this, so that will be 7285 into 9, we get 65565, and just taking appropriate p most significant bit, will get 5565 as the address. Now in extraction method, using this method, some selected digits are extracted from a key, and those digits are used as a hash address in the hash table HT. Assume that we have a 6-digit employee number and we have 3-digit address representation. So our addresses can be in the range of 000 to 999. And from left we can select first, third and fourth digit of the key, and that that is first, third and fourth digit will form a hash address of key in hash table. Let us take an example. We are having 3 keys. First one is 3694225. Second one is 131,467. The third one is 379945. Here we'll take first digit, then the third digit, and then the fourth digit. So this will be 3, 9, and 4. So 394 will be hash address of key 369,425. Similarly, we can see for the remaining keys. In case of rotation method, we use some rotation technique, but this rotation technique is not used standalone, rather it is clubbed with some other technique or say incorporated in combination with some other hashing methods. So it is most useful when keys are assigned serially, such as we often see in employee number and part numbers, because you know that employee information is stored as per their employee ID, which is the ID uh, given to the employee depending on the date of joining, and also the part numbers, say part numbers of any manufacturing unit, so they maintain part numbers in sequence. Simple hash algorithm will create so many synonyms for identical keys. Now if we want to avoid this collision for identical keys, as their initial characters might be same or character range might be same, initial bits might be same, so we use rotation method. We'll bring the last character to the front so that each of the key will be having some different address as the begin of the or at this as the starting bit of the key. Assume that we are having these keys. Now if we see the pattern of this key, first almost first 5 bits of each of these keys which are original can collide, or they can get a same hash address, and as we see that if number of slot is 1 per bucket, then only one of these keys can be saved in hash table at particular proper address location. What if we rotate this or we shift this last bit of each of the keys to the beginning, so we get this pattern. Initially all the keys were having starting address 60. Now here each of these keys is having different starting address. For example, as I shifted one to the left of the first key, I am getting 16, then 26, 36, 46, 56 for the remaining keys, and this will form the address or unique address for each, storing each of these keys 600101, 600102 and the like. So rotation method is basically used in combination with the folding hash.